It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Wednesday, May 17th. I'm James Spann. Summer-like weather continues for the rest of this week. Could see a few widely scattered storms tomorrow. Looks like the next good chance of showers and storms statewide will be late this weekend on Sunday. Check it out this morning. Water vapor satellite view. The big trough in the western states is gradually shifting to the east. Around here, ridging is the story, though. This morning, temperatures are mostly in the 60s. Fort Payne, the cool spot, they've got 59. Birmingham with the urban heat island effect. It's 70 in the city. Around the nation, much colder back in the western states. And again, they could see some snow going on out there. Winter storm warnings for parts of Montana, Idaho, Wyoming. Winter weather advisories down into parts of Colorado and Utah. And then wind advisories to the east from the Arklatex up to near Chicago, where the winds will be quite gusty today. But that trough did produce a lot of severe weather yesterday. This is one of these beautiful GOES 16 satellite views of the convection blowing up from the panhandle of Texas, West Oklahoma, up into Wisconsin. Had a rash of severe storms in through there, a few tornadoes as well. This is the SPC report page. 27 reports of tornadoes. That doesn't necessarily mean 27 different tornadoes, but that was quite an evening there last night. Now today, chance of more severe weather. The core risk over Iowa in some of the adjacent states, an enhanced risk there. Tomorrow, the emphasis shifts back to the southwest, a moderate risk of severe weather, parts of Kansas and Oklahoma, basically the same area that had tornado activity yesterday. The broad risk runs all the way from the Rio Grande up into northern New England. No severe weather expected here, but we could see a few scattered afternoon storms. Then day 3, which is Friday, a risk of severe weather again stays west and north of the state. Rain for the next 7 days. Hey, the numbers look pretty good here. We could take all the rain we get in May, and this is suggesting rain amounts between 2 and 3 inches, and a lot of this could be Sunday and Sunday night. So let's go in there and check it out. Model fans, the GFS. This is the 06E run at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. Got a deep complex trough over the western half of the country. Down below that, a surface low near Omaha, Nebraska today. And south and east of that, severe weather, a distinct possibility. But for us, the ridge holds. Partly sunny with a high close to 90 today. Tomorrow, the ridge weakens a bit. And moisture increases. We could see a few scattered afternoon storms. And by the way, check out that snow setup there for the mountains of Colorado and Wyoming. Wow. With that deep surface low. And again, severe weather is likely for parts of West Oklahoma down into the Texas Panhandle. Now let's look at modeling here. This is the high-res NAM at 4 o'clock tomorrow. It's really not showing much. The GFS is a little more bullish, but we'll mention the chance of a storm in a few spots tomorrow afternoon. Based on the trends here, we'll kind of say the chance of any one spot getting wet now about 1 in 4. And the high should be back in the middle 80s tomorrow with some increasing clouds. This is Friday, and again, there could be a few widely scattered showers, but the decent part of the day should be dry. And the same thing on Saturday. Maybe an isolated shower. Much of the day rain-free. Highs upper 80s most likely Friday and Saturday. Broad surface low is southeast of Minneapolis-St. Paul. And then Sunday, the ridge weakens, and you can see the front approaching. And that's the day when showers and storms will be much more likely. It's not going to rain all day, but it should rain a number of times during the day. The high should be closer to 80 because of clouds and rain. Severe weather possibilities low here. The wind fields are relatively weak. Then we go to Monday. Dry air begins to push in. We'll forecast a clearing sky. We could be in the upper 70s on Monday. Next week, we're going to see below average temperatures. Tuesday, dry and pleasant. And then Wednesday, look at the trough. A week from today, developing over the eastern half of the country. And another cold front coming in. We'll go to Wednesday night. This is suggesting another chance of showers. Maybe some thunder. Again, that's not really a severe weather look. And then Thursday of next week, May 25th, the east with a really deep anomalous trough for May. And if this is right, we're cool and dry. Look at the anomalies for Thursday of next week, May 25th. Well below average for much of the eastern half of the country. And the next day, Friday the 27th, we are dry and pleasant. And you get the idea. We'll be above average through Saturday with upper 80s and low 90s. Next week, we go well below average with highs in the upper 70s to near 80. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.